ውስጥ አዲስ አዲስ ነገሮች ለመምጣት
Chief, what the fuck are you looking at? Move on, asshole. All clear.
Can I help you, sir?
I'm here to make a deposit.
All right, 5 minutes, folks. Final weapons check.
Oh man, we did that already.
And we'll do it again. Echo 3 is a soft target. There's no guards, skeleton staff, handful of civilians. Nobody is getting shot today. So I want safety's on, chambers empty.
We might as well go in with squirt guns. Hey, you know what? I got a butter knife in my pocket.
Tracy, chill the fuck out.
I'm afraid we're not accepting deposits. Actually, as you can see, we're closing down. Didn't you get our letter?
I don't get mail.
I see.
What about her?
Well, she got our letter. We've asked all our customers to come in and empty out their boxes.
What if they don't?
Well, the feds come in and they take everything to a secret storage and then they trace the owners.
I don't want that.
Most of our customers feel the same way. But it is procedure.
Why don't I take my stuff now?
Well, you would need to have the letter.
I told you.
Yes. You don't get mail. Do you have ID?
I have this.
Well, Reverend, I'll tell you what. Come over to the counter and I'll sort you out.
Go hot in 5 minutes. Masks on.
Somebody wake up Biggs.
Well, here you are. You can have that back.
So, how long now?
Just a few moments.
I'm sorry again, Mrs. Waxman. I know this has all been very inconvenient.
I'm afraid that that's not good enough, young man. I have had an account here for 50 years. That is no way to treat a customer closing down like this.
Well, times change, I'm afraid. We're all very sad here. Now, if you want to take a seat, I'll call a cab to take you home.
Fuck you.
Danny.
Yes, sir. The Reverend would like to empty his box.
Is he on the list?
Well, he didn't get the letter. But I've processed him and he's set to go.
It's all very irregular. But I suppose it'll be all right. You can take him back as soon as I finish with Mrs. Cohen.
Yes, sir.
I need to do this now.
As I'm sure has been explained to you, it's one at a time today. So if you don't mind waiting your turn.
I'm sure you won't mind if I go first.
Well, I've been here for hours and I'm almost late for my Pilates class, so. Okay. If it's that important to you.
And are you sure?
Yeah.
ሰላም ሰላም፣ እንዴት ናችሁ ፋሚሊ ጓደኞቼ? ጀልዶ 15
You
ዩቲዩብ
see?
ቻናል
She's happy that I go first.
ቴክኖሎጂ ፊልሞች
Okay.
አዲስ ነገር ይዞ
If you follow me,
ሰብስክራይብ
I'll take you back.
ያደርጋችሁ